Power on. Click Prepare. Filament. Retract. Wait for the machine to complete unloading. Press down on the wrench. Remove the filament. Click Return. Movement 30 mm. Move Z-axis and X-axis. Move Ho10 to center position for subsequent operations. Click Cooling to open model fan. Wait until nozzle cools to room temperature. Click Prepare to close model fan. Power off, unplug power cord. Press cutter handle. Remove casing. Remove silicone sleeve. Release nozzle clip and press inward. Remove nozzle. Disconnect wiring. Remove logo rotary dial. Unscrew 3 screws. Loosen 1 screw at extruder's bottom right corner. Remove the old extruder. Install the new extruder. Tighten for screws. Verified cutter slide buckle is locked downward. Install logo rotary dial, connecting wiring. Install nozzle. Secure nozzle clip. Install silicone sleeve. Press cutter handle. Install casing. Plug in power cord. Power on. Click Settings. Self-check. Select All to begin. Waiting for machine self-test completion.
Enter the Wiki official website to find more information.